Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the branching strategy in Git. Let us assume that we are working in the software development, and it is very important to understand how Git works in software development process. Let us assume that we have here multiple branches. Now, why we need the branch? Why we need these multiple branches? What is the role of this branch? And top of this, what is branch basically? All right, so to understand this, we'll use this use case, how basically this branching is works in software development process. So let us assume that your actual code is at master branch. So the live code, the running product code is always with the master branch. The development team usually not directly work with master branch. All right. So if I am a developer, so I will not get the direct access to work or make any changes in the master branch. All right. Because master branch is the running code. So the running code cannot be directly touched. So it's have the processes have to go through that. Right. So every organization have the release manager. So release manager duty is to do the testing and after that fix all issues. If works fine, then it goes to the master branch. All right, so that release process we follow to release that code from any stage to the master branch. So maybe you are from the host fix or from the develop branch or from any other branch, we cannot directly merge into the master branch. So we have to follow the some practices, like we have to do the testing, we have to do the QA, and after that we can merge with the master branch, because master branch is the running code of that product. All right, now let us understand, if you have already some softwares which is already working and someone find that issue. Let's say example that software is fine, is on Android but is giving some problem on iOS, and they reported that issues. So immediately what development team will do, they will have one hotfix branch. That hotfix branch going to work on that bug, and once they find that this issue is resolved, they will merge that code with the master branch, and they will write a note to the user saying that iOS platform issue is resolved, so that users can freely work with that software on iOS as well. So this hotfix branch is to solve the quickest problem which arise in the production environment. Now we have here number of features branch. This features branch is keep developing. This developer work on the features. Let us assume that we have company where we have the development process, and development team have the call weekly basis, and they decided that every week they have to add some feature into their product. So the feature branch they will work, so every week they will make number of changes and make available new features in the product. So those changes is added in the feature branch, and this feature branch is goes to the develop branch. So basically this develop branch is for the whole development. So developer write their code and push it on the develop branch. Let's assume that I am a developer, I am working on the feature XYZ, and this is my feature branch. Another developer may be working on the feature ABC, and he will work on the another feature branch. Like assume real time, someone is working on the login form, someone is working on the payment form, someone working on the payment gateway, someone is working on the users interaction. So number of modules they will work on, so number of branches they will create accordingly. So this features is going to be added in the features branch, and this features branch is going to be added in the develop branch further. All right, So this develop branch have the process to release their code into the production by using the release management process. So from develop branch, it will go to the release. Release part is to do the testings. So once the testing completed and they find that no issues, so they will release that code into the production and they will say that version 1.0. So it was previously 0.1, now it's become 1.0. That is new releases came in. So how the new release came in? From feature branch, multiple features added, and that feature goes to the develop, and after development they follow the release management practice and they have built another. So in release management practice, they have to take care all the checklists. They have to make sure everything is fine as per their decided checklist, and once it met it, the product release or the feature release into the production environment. And here we can see the minor changes because it's not a major changes, it's not a feature added, that's a for it's only release number is changed, it's from the 0.1 to 0.2, but here it's a feature added, it's a big change. So that's the reason the version of that product is changed from 0.1 to 1.0. So in this way, the branching strategy works. Thank you so much.